day, sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Laurence Bulquerin. I'm now performing the assessment number 4 of Navigation 3 Laboratory A. So, we're forming now the assessment 4. So, while staring at 235 PSC along Raycon Street, the block point light board starboard quarter beam at about 2000 hours determine the ship through heading and the true bearing of the light observed. So, use the given specimen of the deviation table for determining the deviation to apply. The magnetic variation for locality is 2 degrees west. So, we must find the 235 PSG in the deviations table. So, as we see, there's no 235 here in compass heading degrees. So we must it between 225 and 240. So we write 225, which is it's between, so between 235, we write the 235 and the between 225 and 240. So the deviation degrees of 225 is 8 is, and the 235 there's no division degrees yet. So we put an X, and 240, which is the 12 is. So now we must find the difference between, first is between 225 and 235. So we need to subtract it. 235 minus 225. The difference it is 10. Then we must find the difference also of 225 and 2247. Subtraction ulit. So 240 minus 225, which is 15. And now in the degrees, we must find the difference between 8 and x. So there's no value. We put the x here. Next is the difference between 8 is and 12 is. So 8, 12 minus 8, which is equals 4. So second step, we must bring down our difference, which is the 10, 15, x, and 4. So all we're gonna do is we must cross multiply the difference. So first is 15x. There's no value, so we write the x here. Then 10 times 4, which is equals 40. So we must translate the x here, so that there will be x equals 40 divide 15. So we must divide the 40 divide 15. So which is the answer is 2.6. So round off, it's equals to 2.67. The final answer is the 2.667. So it's not the final answer. So we need to add the 225 division degree, which is the it is. So 2.67 and it is So 2.67 plus 8, which is 10.67. 10.67 or 10.7. So our deviation is 10.7. So this is our division. Now we must find the, like you said here, we must, we must determine the shift through heading and the true bearing. So true bearing. So we must write the compass heading, deviation, magnetic heading, variation, and true heading. So in our meaning, to American dead man boat twice. So first is our compass heading. Our compass heading, which is here, the 235 here, our compass heading. 235 PSC, degrees PSC. Then our deviation, our deviation is 10.7, and our magnetic heading is 2 2 245, 245, which is dito, which is makikita natin 245. To get our magnetic heading, we need to addition the 235 and 10.7. So we need to add 225, 235 plus 10.7 is 245.7, 245.7 degree. Now, what is our variation? So our variation, which is here, you see the variation for locality is 2 degrees west. So 2 degrees west. So to get our true heading, we need to subtract the 245 and 2 degrees. 245.7 minus 2, which is, the answer is 243.7. So that's our true heading. Next, we need the true bearing. So compass heading, deviation, magnetic heading, variation, and our true bearing. So can dead man boat twice? So in able to find our true bearing, so we need our com our compass heading, which is now the true bearing. So our deviation is 10.7, and understood that our compass heading is 1.3. So we need to addition the 10.7 10.7 plus 1.3, which is result is 12. So our M, which is our candid man, is 12. So we need to the aberration, which is the 2 degrees west. So we need to subtract 12 12 minus 2, which is the result is 10. So now this is our true bearing, and this is our true heading. Now this is the map. So we must find our true bearing. So the quarter beam about to define the ship true heading and the true bearing of light. So we must find the true bearing. So in this map, as you see, this is our compass. So we need to find the steering of 235 in the compass. Say between 240 and 230. So let's see. This is our 235. Let's see this where our ship are located. Mm, so these are ships. So it's in 235 in the map, in the compass, this is it. So let's say these are map. So let's say this is say let's say these are ship. These are ship here. Ship. That's our ship. So now the which is we must let's say we must find the our starboard quarter beam. So let's say the given starboard beam is 135. So 135, let's see, 135, so southeast. So as we see in our compass, let's 135, let's here, or 135 here. So we need to add the 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 235 and 135. So add, so 10, 1, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 7, plus 1, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1 equals 7. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. So that's our the we need add the 230 meter. So in our compass, it's only have 350 360 degree. So we need to minus the 370 to 360. So the result is 10. Subtraction result. So we need to count here until we get the tens, until we get here the 10 here, which is ito. This is the 10. So now the quarter beam of the block point, which is located at the starboard quarter beam, which is, as we see in our map, which is here. As you see, this is the block point here. That's all. That's all about we see the throw bearing.